let's get into it.
Life without you been feeling kind of strange. Well, I see that you're doing very well. You looking very well. I miss the way your perfume smell. I miss the way that you blowed up my line just to make sure that I'm feeling well.
Welcome back to my channel. I am kashiajabre, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I install, cut, and style this hair that was provided by CurlyMe Collection Hair. So thank you guys so much for sponsoring this video. But we're going to be doing a little chit chat and get ready with me type situation because y'all enjoyed the last one, so I said let's run it back. So that's what we're going to be doing in this video. So if you're interested to see all of that, make sure that you continue watching. Also, do not forget to thumbs up this video if you enjoy it. And also comment down below and tell me what you guys want to see next. And also subscribe to my channel because my cash baby's lit. I'm lit, and if you subscribe, then you can be lit too. And that's on what? That's on period. So yeah, let's just hop right into this video. This room is a mess. My life is a mess. It's just a lot going on. But I'm about to be cute. So that's all that matters. Here's the wig. So I kind of just try to like pull out some of the bangs to just try to see like where I want to go with it, because at first I wanted to do a middle part, which is why y'all see like this defined part. But then I was like, I've been wanting to do a bang, so why not do a bang now? Like, I always say I want to do a bang, but every time I get a wig I do something like completely different other than a bang, and I'm like, this will literally be the perfect opportunity to do a bang, so let's do a motherfucking bang. I'm gonna do a bald cap method just because I don't know whether or not I'm going to change up the style on this wig, so I want to put it on right, you know, just in case I might want to brush the bangs back and might do half up, half down. Like, I don't know, anything. I just want to make sure that I'm not just stuck with the bang. So y'all already know I'm cutting out ear holes, and they also sent me some wig caps as well. I'm wearing one of the wig caps that they sent. So, and they also sent some lashes, and I might put on the lashes to close out the video or bring it in. Y'all probably have already saw if I did or if I didn't. I don't know yet, but I'll show you guys. These are the lashes that they sent me. Y'all, look at my nails. I'm personally going through it. Now that I'm doing my hair, I might do a vlog today or tomorrow. I could be doing my hair while I'm talking. Hold on. So I'm going to be using these two products on my wig cap. Starting off with this one. But like I was saying, since I'm like so busted, I don't got my lashes done or nothing right now. My nails need to be filled in. I need a pedicure right now. I'm doing my hair. It just kind of feel right to do like a self-care day soon, and I might just integrate it into a vlog, like put it, you know, make it real cute for y'all, make it like a whole day thing, because everything needs to be done. I personally just did my own brows just because I know how to do them, and I know how to do them like super correct, and y'all already know I know how to do my own hair, but everything else has to be done for me. Like, I don't know how to do my own nails. Shout out to the girls who can polish both hands, because baby girl, I ain't never been able to do that. Like, once it's time to flip over to the other hand that's not my everyday hand, what do you call it, like the hand that I write with, child, it'd be a done deal from there. Like, I am not able to do my own nails, but I wish that I was, and one day I want to learn. But I'm gonna really have to test my cognitive skills, because that's like rubbing your belly and like patting your head at the same time. That's how I feel about trying to like paint the opposite hand. I like it just feels like I can't do it. I've done my own lashes in the past. The only problem that I have with doing my own lashes, just the fact that like they're never the same quality of lashes that I go to get done, if that makes sense. Like, they be darker, blacker, thicker. Like, I don't know, it don't never give that extension, like fresh off the wake up look for some reason when I get the lashes from the beauty supply store. So maybe I'm buying the wrong lashes. So if y'all got any suggestions on, you know, any lashes I can use to do my individuals, because I know how to glue them on and stuff, it's just that the quality of lashes just don't be given. Just about to cut my cap. I literally just did a start to finish wig install video, so if you're not like a fast learner, then this probably isn't a video for you, because I'm showing y'all what I'm doing, but you know, I have other videos that go way more in detail. So we can chat a little bit when I get done with these scissors, because let me tell y'all something. These little things look small, but these things cut skin, okay? So I'm not even about to, Now it's time to take some powder and put it all over this cap. Take some alcohol and clean up all the excess and makeup that got on my face. Okay, so cap done. It's time to put on the wig. Y'all, this wig is so freaking beautiful. I pressed out this wig last night on my mannequin head just so I can make sure like every strand and every piece got straight. But when I tell y'all, like, I couldn't even separate the parts from like what I've already flat ironed from what had air dried from me washing this wig. So like it's literally this silky straight like naturally, and it's so thick, like so pretty. So I'm about to put it on. Let me adjust myself. Okay, so first we need to check our cap, make sure it's none sticking out, and it's not. And it's a little piece, if y'all can see, it's a little piece sticking out right there. So I gotta pull that up, super easy, and then cut it off. Okay. Now it's literally perfect. See if I can find a clip. Let's see if this will work. Okay, so, oh, this is about to be bomb. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is flip it back like this. And I'm gonna put that same powder that I put on my wig cap on the lace of this wig, like underneath, because this is gonna help everything blend so much better. So I'm just gonna do this right quick. Okay, already a lot better. So now I can flip it back again, and I'm about to go ahead and start to dot this all over my head. I think I'm gonna put 2 layers of glue because your girl goes to the gym every single day, so gotta put the 2 layers of glue because the wigs be struggling in the gym. So I'm just about to, don't want to come out. Okay, there we go. I'm trying to sit here and look for something I can use to spread out this glue, because y'all know I just be using just about anything, but I literally can't find nothing, and I don't want to get no more glue on my combs because all my combs got glue on it because it's what I use. I need to just go buy some popsicle sticks because this ain't gonna work. I'm gonna have to use a comb. So just spreading it out, making sure everything is nice and even. I have some really big announcements coming up. One being a new spoiled drop, and another being something else that's really big, but I don't want to say yet because y'all are gonna get plenty of videos on that. So I'm kind of excited. Well, not kind of, I'm very excited because this is a big step for me. It's exciting. I've never done it before, and I don't know, I don't know, I'm kind of nervous for it too, but I think that everything's gonna go good, and y'all will probably find out within like a week or 2 from now exactly what I'm talking about, like full-fledged. I'm not even gonna like do the whole, like the first video that y'all see, y'all gonna know. So just be on the lookout for that because your girl is stoked. It's just about to be really big, and y'all gonna see what that means. So anyways, I have not had some long black hair, and it's been some months, honestly. Let me see, when the last time? August. I haven't had no long straight black hair, and then even when I did have that hair in, that hair I had crimped it, so I really didn't even get like the you know, to really fill out the straight hair. But this time around, I'm gonna try to keep my hair straight the entire time and take pictures in it straight, because straight is just the mood for the fall. Like, that is the best hair to have in the fall time. I feel like curly too, because curly be a mood, curly be a vibe, but straight, like I just be thinking like straight, like fair vibes, like big jackets, but like silky straight hair. I don't know, y'all, I just feel like straight hair is just so pretty in the winter time. And I also thought about dyeing this hair black, like jet black, but I've never done that before, and I've never had like super black hair, so I didn't want it to come off as too, I don't know, I just didn't want it to be too harsh. So I ended up not doing it, but now I'm just about to dry this until it's completely clear, and then we can put this wig down. Boom. It's kind of crooked, but it's on there. Okay, now I'm just gonna take this comb and just push this in. I think I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace so that I can start working on the bang, because why not? Let's just start cutting this lace. The lace is off. Now it's time to start to focus on styling. So I'm just going to comb down the little part that I want, because I want it to be a pretty thin bang. Do y'all remember the last disaster with the bang, like when I was in New York trying to cut the freaking bang, and y'all, I messed it up so freaking bad, like so bad. So I'm gonna see if I can try to do this one right. I got a lot less hair this time, so that's good. I think I'm starting off good. This hair keep getting stuck to my lip gloss and it's driving me up a wall. Okay, so what I'm gonna do first is thin out the bangs. So I'm just gonna take a tweezer and just pull at them until I feel like they're thin enough. I don't think I'm gonna get it to be any thinner than this. I'm just gonna have to like tweak it after I cut it, but I'm about to remove a little bit of hair. So like this much hair, and I'm gonna cut it like right here. Please pray for me. Oh my God. Okay, so I'm about to cut them just a little bit more because it's just entirely too long. Okay, I think that should be good now. Okay, now I'm about to take some flat irons. Y'all, I really hope this come out right. I'm gonna take some flat irons and just like bump them a little bit. I'm so scared, y'all. Okay, definitely need to be cut some more. Let's see how the look is given though. Let's see. Okay, don't look bad. Don't look bad at all. It just need to be cut a little bit more. Okay, I think this is perfect, y'all. I freaking did it. Did I just do that? Wait, cause it's giving Nikki, like it's giving, oh wait, I need to go get my lashes done like right now. Wait, I might not even fix the part because it's just like, it just looks like that's just how it's supposed to be. So I'm just about to run my flat irons through here some more, and then I think I'm done. That is crazy. I'm trying to think, should I layer like some more of the bangs into the hair, but I don't want to like mess it up too much. I'm just flat ironing this hair out. As y'all can see, it's literally gorgeous. Like the lace was also very thin, and I actually think this is HD lace. So yeah, it's like actually real HD lace, and it's some really good hair too. 30 inches my body. Yeah, I can't wait to take pictures in this. This is about to be so cute, like so freaking cute. I think I might cut into the bang a little bit for like a more of a pixie type look, you know, like with the ends thinned out instead of them just looking straight right now. But I'm kind of scared because what if I ruin it? Let's take this in the middle because this is the part I really just want to like cut into. So I think I might take a little bit of some hair on the side and just take the scissors and just like feather it in. Like just like that. Now I'm about to straighten it back out and put like a little small bump in it. Yeah, like that, like that, like that. So that way when I like put my hair behind my ears, it just looks like it blends, you know. This is what it looks like behind my ears with the little feather in little pieces behind my ears. This is what it looks like just down. This is what it looks like just down. Yeah, this is hot. This is hot. Okay, y'all, I'm about to go put on some makeup and then I'm gonna be back. Okay, so y'all, I'm done with my makeup and this is how my hair look. I'm so in love with the outcome. Like, y'all, that looks good, okay? I look good. I'm about to go take pictures right now, but I just had to come back and show you guys what my hair looked like. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and also comment down below and tell me what you guys want to see next. And also subscribe to my channel because my cash baby's lit. I'm lit, and if you subscribe, then you can be lit too, and that's on what? That's on period. All the links on this hair will be listed in the description box, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!